Hi friends, my name is Narasimha and I'm studying data science group in IRE college. Today, in a part of my subject chemistry, I want to explain a topic which is related to lubricants. The topic name is cloud and pour point of lubricants. First of all, there are many features in the lubricants. Lubricants are substances which reduces the friction by reducing the contact between the two surfaces. First of all, cloud point. In crude or heavy oils, cloud point is also known as wax appearance temperature. It is also known as WAT in shortcut, and wax precipitation temperature, WPT. The cloud point of a lubricant or glycol solution is the temperature at which the mixture starts to phase separate and to appear phases appear, thus becoming cloudy. It's easy, friends. The para is explaining that the cloud point is a temperature for a lubricant at which the phases present in the lubricant get separated. Means the liquid phase material or the solid phase material gets separated, and at that moment it becomes cloudy. Means the appearance of the lubricant will be very somewhat difficult. Next, pour point. Pour point of a lubricant is the lowest temperature at which the products continues to flow when it is cooling without stirring. In cloud point, we are studying about the temperature at which the phase separate takes place. But in pour point, in the word only we are getting understanding pouring means the flowing of the material. Pour point of a lubricant is the lowest temperature at which the product means the material lubricant continues to flow when it is flowing without stirring process. Cloud point is the temperature at which components within the fluid it already is learned fluid under test precipitate on cooling. Cloud and pour point. Cloud point is the minimum temperature at which the first crystal formation starts. Pour point is the minimum temperature below which a liquid loses its flow characteristics. The difference between cloud point and pour point is both are lowest temperatures only. It is an similar thing in the between the cloud point and pour point. Both have the minimum temperatures, but cloud point means minimum temperature at which the first crystal formation starts, and means the formation of crystals which starts first is known as cloud point. But in pour point, the minimum temperature below which a liquid loses its flow characteristics. A freezer that can cool below 0 degrees Celsius is used where temperature is decreased in steps of 3 degrees Celsius until a cloud or haze or wax crystal is formed at the bottom of the test tube. It is a process of experiment for getting a cloud point. That is, a freezer that can be cooled below 0 degrees Celsius is used and decreased in 3 steps the temperature until the cloud or haze or wax crystal means formation of crystal is obtained. The temperature at which the cloud forms is called the cloud point. After the cloud point, the temperature is reduced in steps of 1 degree Celsius until the temperature at which fluid flows. Its flow characteristics or starts moving. In single experiment, we can obtain both cloud point and pour point. That is, the temperature at which the cloud forms is known as cloud point, but the temperature at which the material starts to flow is known as the pour point. The cloud and pour point property are significant for the fuel when they have to be used in cold regions. Importance for anything feature, there is an importance, advantage and disadvantages of that feature. In these lubricants, the cloud point and pour point's importance of this is cloud point is of more significance for fuel oils than lubricating oils. Pour point is important for the lubricants used in low temperature. The lubricants which are getting used in a lower temperature, for that lubricants pour point is very useful. If the high pour point of lubricant is used at low temperature, then it would freeze, jamming the machine parts. The fluid film mechanism of lubrication will also fail. Means when we use high power point of lubricant, then it leads to the damage of the machine parts. And the differences between the cloud point and the pour point are, while we are coming to the cloud point, comparatively it has high value. When we are compared with value, cloud point has high value, whereas pour point has low value. The importance is given by the cloud point to the fuel oils, whereas pour point is given to the lubricants. Coming to cloud points comes at the beginning of the solidification. In the process, in the experiment of the solidification, first the cloud point is obtained, which we discussed before in the experiment here. First we obtain the cloud point, then we obtain the pour point. Comes at the completion of the solidification, this pour point. While cloud point obtained faster upon chilling, but pour point obtains slowly upon chilling. Means upon cooling the lubricant, the cloud point obtains fastest, but the pour point obtains slowly. For examples in a day-to-day life, cloud point. An everyday example of cloud point can be seen in olive oil stored in cold weather. In cold weather, we store olive oil. All we are aware of that. In that case, cloud point is useful. Olive oil begins to solidify at around 4 degrees Celsius, whereas winter temperatures in temperature countries can often be colder than 0 degrees Celsius. And the applications means the values of some of the applications pour point is are multigrade engine oil, the pour point is minus 35, synthetic polyester minus 32, vegetable hydraulic fluid minus 29, monograde engine oil minus 23, turbine oil, the pour point is minus 18. These are some of the pour points of some of the applications. This is a table of nomenclature, DAS, cloud point, pour point, and a calorific value. These are some of the applications and abbreviations are given down. And BO, B20, B40, B60, B80, and B100. And this is the BO means 100% diesel. These are compared with diesels. And we are aware of cloud point and power point before. These are some of the applications, and also calorific value also is given in the table, which is given in this. And for getting a cloud point and power point, not in a experimental process, by getting through an instrument. We have some instruments to get exactly pour point and cloud point of the lubricants. One of the instrument is this. This instrument is used to determine cloud point and pour point of the lubricants. Means without doing an experiment, we can directly get the exact value of the cloud and pour point of the lubricants. Thank you, friends. I hope my lecture is useful for you, and thank you for listening.